identify your key clients right now. When you had 20 clients, you remembered everything about them, their AUM, SIPs, family details, occupation, hometown. Nothing really slipped from your mind. But what happens when that number grows to 200 or 500? What then? Hi, I'm Sakshi Lokhande from Sanjay CRM, and in this video, we are going to discuss all about identifying your key clients. But before we begin, let's clear one thing first, that your key clients aren't just the ones who call you regularly or stay touch in often. They are the ones who have invested with you for the long term. That is your steady, serious investors. But sometimes they are also your silent investors, like people who have invested heavily with you but rarely approach you on their own. We have also understood the concept of client categorization in an earlier video. So once you categorize your clients, your top tiers emerge and these are your key clients. So how do you decide whom to connect with and when? Who needs your attention right now? How do you identify all of that? Of course, you might already have certain internal parameters to identify your key clients like AUM, SIP amounts, risk profiles, and age brackets. That's good. But here's the question. When you actually need it, can you see all of this on one page, one screen? And is it structured in a way that your entire team can follow with no blind spots, no loopholes? My real point is, do you have a reliable system to identify your key clients, or are you just relying on memory and guesswork? Because if it's just in your head, there's always a risk of important clients slipping through the cracks, your team not working with the same structure, and ultimately your growth being limited by memory-based management. Here's where a dedicated system like Sanchay CRM makes all the difference. With Sanchay CRM, you get first reports that segment clients by AUM, SIP, risk profile, and much more. Second, insights that highlight which clients need attention right now. Third, a single structured view that your entire team can follow with no loopholes and no gaps. Now let's talk about the benefits of identifying key clients. So once you have both the structure and the system, here's what changes. First, you always know your top priorities, so you'll never miss a follow-up with high-value clients. Second, you build deeper trust and stronger client relationships. Third, your team works with one shared view, so no confusion. Fourth, retention strengthens and your AUM grows consistently. Fifth, you direct your time and energy to the clients who create maximum impact on your business. Now, that's the power of identifying your key clients. So again, the question is, are you still relying on memory or using a structured system? Because identifying key clients is just the step one. In our next video, we'll explore what to do next after you have identified your key clients. That is, how to engage, retain, and grow those relationships. Hope this video helped. Stay tuned for more and thank you for watching.